on for me, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Make it nice and dark in here.
Pablo, 3 deep breaths. Gonna look up. Pablo, 3 deep breaths.
3 deep breaths?
There. Now, 5 deep breaths.
All right. Can you lift your head for me? I'll get this on. Go ahead and lift your head up there.
Tony, you almost made me cough.
All right. Go ahead and lay back.
3 deep breaths is better. Antonio,
Kind of big for
there's
you.
going to be a bright light. Might want to color for you. 1 deep breath. 1 deep breath. Look which finger I'm holding up. No, not that finger. Really? I have to do 2 deep breaths? No, only 1 deep breath.
All right.
1 deep breath. Big eye. That guy looks like a baby.
Let's take a look in here. Okay.
Don't do that, don't do it. You just lost 2 teeth. Sharpie! Sharpie's here! Really?
Okay.
He's back! Where's Sharpie?
All right.
Sharpie's in her hand.
Get
Yellow
started.
Sharpie.
Just my little cleaner. That's all it is.
Oh.
Does it tickle? No?
Don't feel a thing.
All right. That's what we like.
And on Antonio, he is not due for x-rays.
Okay.
So that's a good thing, huh? You didn't have any cavities last time, so
Look towards your brother a little bit for me.
I can see your eye. Whee! Aha!
No
Daddy's
talking.
gonna poof at you. He poofed at you. Haha.
Need you to lay real still, all right, bud?
Okay. My fingers are moving. My fingers are moving. Boop, 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 boop,
Hey,
boop.
okay. And we will not be doing fluoride treatment again today, Dad? Okay.
Hey, look, a Sharpie. It's okay, Papa. It's okay. Is this one
You know talking about, all right? When you're all done and it's his turn, it'll be your turn to talk.
Squeeze, squeeze.
Ah! Whoop.
Keep your mouth open.
Try and relax, sweetheart. It goes faster if you just be quiet and do as she says.
Whoop. Lay that arm down for me.
So
Doing real good.
3 deep breaths. Actually,
Okay.
1 deep breath. 1 deep breath. Keeping all his fingers down. Me too. Happy raspberry. One shrinking.
remember where you're at.
Remember where I'm
Bookmark it
at.
there.
Let me take a little look. There we go.
There you go, Doctor.
All right.